Hey there, welcome to Trusted Web e-Services. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find referral traffic sources in Google Analytics 4. If you're wondering which websites are sending visitors your way, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First, log into your GA4 account and select the correct property associated with your website. This ensures you're analyzing the right data. Next, head over to the Reports tab, select Acquisition, and then click on Traffic Acquisition. Here, you'll see an overview of traffic sources driving visitors to your site. To focus on referral traffic, let's apply a filter. Click on Add Filter. Under the Dimension tab, search for and select Session Default Channel Group. Set the match type to exactly matches. Then, in the value field, choose Referral. Finally, click Apply. Now, the report displays only your referral traffic, giving you a clearer view of external visits. To see which websites are referring traffic to your site, click the plus icon to add a new metric. Select Session Source from the Traffic Source category. And that's it. The report will now display the specific domains that are sending traffic to your website. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web e-Services for more actionable tutorials.